Good Tuesday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Low pressure sitting across the northwestern parts of the Brooks Range and the west coast is dragging cooler air ashore into Norton Sound and across parts of the YK, moving through Bethel and slowly approaching the upper Kuskokwim Valley and parts of the middle Yukon. As it does so, a few showers and thunderstorms are expected across the western sections of Alaska and moving into parts of the interior, but a much stronger easterly wave is moving out of western Canada and the Yukon and into the interior. Starting tonight, heavier rainfall is expected mainly north of the eastern Alaska Range and into the upper Tanana Valley and parts of the Yukon Flats and the Deltana and Tanana Flats region. As that happens, especially just north of the Alaska Range, several inches of rainfall are possible and localized flooding could develop, so we'll keep an eye on that. The rainfall begins tonight and there will be thunder and lightning in the region, so be careful. And remember, when thunder roars, go indoors immediately and wait 30 minutes until the last sound of thunder or lightning has been seen. And then it's safe to return outside. Low pressure sitting across the northern parts of the Gulf at 1,011 millibars will continue to spiral in areas of showers across coastal regions, but that meeting up with the easterly wave will help to enhance precipitation patterns across parts of the Copper River Basin. Watch for a chance for some showers and storms across areas like Talkeetna and the Susitna Valley as well. Low pressure across the central and western Gulf will be deepening into a 991 millibar storm. That brings warmer air up across the central Gulf. As that warm air lifts northward, that is encountering a ridge of high pressure south of Haida Gwaii, that at 1,018 millibars, and that will help to push a little more moisture and wet weather into parts of southeastern Alaska, though the bulk of the heavy rain will still be north of the Alaska Range and parts of the central and eastern interior. Showers and thunderstorms could develop as far north as the south-facing slopes of the northern and western Brooks Range tomorrow. Now look for more of that to be in shower form as we get into Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms continue across the eastern interior and the Alaska Range as we get into Thursday afternoon with some heavier rainfall expected to reach into Anchorage perhaps by Wednesday evening and into Thursday morning for parts of the Kenai Peninsula, the Anchorage Bowl, and the Matanuska Susitna Valleys, and parts of the Copper River Basin. South and easterly winds will continue for southeastern Alaska. More rain mainly in the northern half with areas of low clouds, fog, and drizzle for the Chain and parts of the YK coast and Bristol Bay. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.